Welcome to this quick guide on how to edit the AI label on your Instagram story, updated for the latest app version on Android. If you've ever noticed Instagram tagging your story with an AI label and want to adjust it, here's the straightforward way to do it. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device and head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap on your active story to open it. Next, look for the three dots labeled More at the bottom right of your story screen and tap on them. This will open a menu with several options. Among these, you'll find the option to Edit AI Label. Tap on it to proceed. You'll now see the toggle for the AI label. If your story has been automatically tagged as AI generated and you want to remove or adjust this label, simply toggle this switch on or off according to your preference. Once you've made your choice, go back and your story will update accordingly. This feature is especially useful if your content was mistakenly labeled as AI generated, or if you want to ensure transparency about AI involvement in your posts. Keep in mind that Instagram requires AI labels on photorealistic videos or realistic-sounding audio that are digitally generated or altered, so using this option helps comply with their guidelines. Editing the AI label on your story is a quick process that helps you maintain control over how your content is presented to your audience. Just remember, after editing, your story may refresh its visibility metrics, so it's best to make these changes soon after posting. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to easily edit the AI label on your Instagram story using your Android device. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your stories just the way you want.